Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to link Wells Fargo Bank to your Cash App. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure that you watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first guys, you want to go ahead and open up the official Cash App application on your mobile phone if you're not already. If you do not have it already installed, you can just go to the App Store on your mobile phone, open up your App Store, go into the search bar and search for Cash App. So by searching for Cash App, it's going to give you a result list options of all the applications you want to find the Cash App, download it, and after opening it up, you can go ahead and get started with logging in. So go ahead and log into your account either using your mobile number or login details, whichever way you prefer. And once you log in, now we can get started. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started linking to Wells Fargo, and it's very easy. So basically guys, in this main page right here that you're going to be greeted by, here with our cash balance, savings, and all the other settings we have, we can get started with looking in the upper right corner. In the upper right corner is our profile icon, and you can go ahead and take a look at your profile icon by clicking on it. So click on your profile icon, and after clicking on it, it's going to give you our new settings results. So in the settings, there is going to be an option that says link the banks, and basically guys, in that settings options, you want to click link banks, from where you can go ahead and get started with selecting the bank that you want to link. One of the options is going to be Wells Fargo, so you can go ahead and select it, and then you can just follow the prompt, following all the login details. You log into your bank, and once you log in successfully, it's going to be linked to your Cash App account, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So I guess thank you for watching, take care, and bye.